Good morning, everybody. Now look at this man up here. I think he over there feeding the birds. He look like Santa Claus. But y'all, good morning. It's your girl Kiana Shaunice, and I'm calling. I'm back with you guys from Hawaii. Look at the view. Take it in, breathe it in. Yes, it's lovely. But right now, I'm on my way to get something to eat, and then we're gonna go to the grocery store. And I'm just waving at people. Don't know this man, but we're gonna have a good day. If you're not already subscribed, I want you to subscribe to my channel at Kiana Shaunice, and we're gonna make it great. Look at the lashes, y'all, they're popping. Hold on. I'm gonna get on the elevator now. Okay. Bye. I did my eyelashes, you know, my sun visors on my eyelids, and they a little heavy. They're a little heavy, I must say. Back a little mess. But yes, like I said, if you're not already subscribed, I want you to subscribe to my channel. I want you to subscribe to my social media. My Twitter is Kiana Shaunice. I think it's Melanin Magic 127 or Melanin Magic 127, one of those. Same as my Instagram. My Instagram is Melanin Magic. And that's it. One thing I like about this hotel is that you have to have a key fob in order to get anywhere. So, not just a key card, you can just come up to your floor. No, you can't do that. You gotta have a key fob. So, with the lashes, they look alright. They're low, like I said, they're a little heavy. I did my best in one try. I got some glue right there, but who's looking that close? Hello. I'm on the right floor. I don't even know where I'm at. No, I'm not on the right floor. Where the hell am I going? I'm going the wrong way. I need to go this way. She said she downstairs. But is she at the same place I'm at? Oh, here's the hell.
Oh. She got a little screaming good. She doing that thing.
You already know. Say hey, y'all.
Hey.
Bye. So I got my food, y'all, and it's looking mighty scrumptious. This is all just a buffet. They got some good food, you know. Everybody gets good. You know.
Did y'all order some stuff?
Let's see what it's tasting. Let's hit the phone. Y'all, I got it. You better make this walk. I must have got the food. Lord have mercy. We can't forget this. So, I'll see you when we get back to the hotel.
Yeah, so when I like my candles.
Your son get there, he ain't gonna stay in that room. He's gonna go out and see some stuff.
I'm back, y'all. They're on their way jet skiing.
You hear me?
What up?
Say hello to the camera, everybody.
Your nigga semi, man. You already know what to do, Cleveland level CTL, huh?
Y'all already know what to do.
Way from home.
Oh my goodness.
Way from home.
Y'all, they're a trip, okay? All I know is y'all better pray before y'all go on these jet skis so nobody fall over and break a neck.
Oh, please.
Bone, nothing, okay? We not.
No, we gonna go scoop. Be like Pepper passing gas.
I keep forgetting I got these lashes on. I keep wanting to like pull my eyelashes.
When I got the lock, I'm like, dang.
Wednesday. It's gonna be.
What's that one?
This fans is just too much for me. Okay.
Yeah, all I can say.
Get out of that room.
So y'all, they made it to the jet skis, but the dude ain't here. These motherfuckers late today. So, but y'all just taking the scenery.
Yeah.
I wish I could feel this nice, wonderful heat. Look at the Africa tree, y'all.
Look at the
They brought Africa to Hawaii. That's a little monkey tree off of Africa. What's his name? Ziti? Zulu? What Zulu? I know what I'm talking about.
What is she talking about?
But y'all, it's so
Yeah. Oh my leg. Damn.
Dang, look at that.
Watch your step, you guys.
Oh shit, you need to put a little bit closer, baby.
Yeah, watch your step.
Watch
Shit,
your
you watch your step, you be in the water if you don't watch it.
Ladies first.
Hold on.
I got you, man.
Hold on. You can make it.
Sorry, I gotta put you on hold for just 1 second.
Hold on.
1 second.
Woo, Jesus. You better help Terrell.
Sis, be careful. yeah, because you gotta.
Go ahead. I'm good.
Got it?
You watch you. Oh.
Go ahead, bro. Okay.
Come on, brother O.
You know I got this. There we go. You know I got this.
Come on, Big
It's
Ed.
gonna be great. Oh, yeah. You know I got this.
Woo.
Y'all teach how to do this?
In the water. What's up, man? How you feel?
Good. How are you guys?
Okay. Y'all ain't have to scoot all the way down there. You know, we ain't got no coronavirus over here.
Hey guys, front and back for me,
No,
please.
they won't move so we.
Oh, we can chill here too. Let's chill here.
Everybody just get
Everyone's
on?
gotta get one, yeah.
Oh, okay.
I'm not skiing.
You're not gonna skip?
Nah.
Cleveland's a great sports city.
Touch up one.
Ski.
I'm not dressed to ski. Hold on, y'all. He talking about we gonna get over there. This thing a little shake.
Living our best life.
Living the life.
Alright guys, we'll get you off this way. Just watch your step. Come on.
It's a lot of watching steps.
Here we go.
Go down here. And if you're just hanging out, you can hang out right there.
Y'all, we are in the middle of the ocean, y'all, okay? What if I put us here and then left us here?
A true gentleman. You know that. You already know
What
that.
if he said y'all better go just get in this
You're riding, go that way, you guys.
You're
riding, go
What's your
that
emergency?
way.
This
And
motherfucker.
just no phones or cameras on the jet skis, guys.
Can we-
It's a
can we
safety
put
thing.
some-
You can take pictures
shoes
from
on?
up here. And then I'd say professional ones I sell straight then.
Okay.
What did he say?
He said no cameras or phones on the jet skis because it's a...
We get a photo of all of us?
We get ready. Yeah, we get ready to get a photo. Let me get over here.
All right, this is gonna conclude this little session. My battery is dying, so
Wait a minute, can you get
I see you when we get back to the
Wait a
99.
minute, she said, wait till she...
All right, y'all. This what? 7:47 at night here. It's dark. It didn't get dark till like 9 o'clock. 8, 9 o'clock yesterday. Maybe I'm tripping. But it gets dark at 7:47 today. But we're gonna. I'm on my way down to the barbecue. Supposed to be barbecuing. I'm running late. I had to charge my phone and my camera battery. So right now I'm tired. But my butt is hurting, y'all. You ever get like a butt crack? There's gonna be hotels over there. But that hotel, you don't get a balcony. So I wouldn't like that. But yeah, somebody head down here to this thing. I gotta figure out where they at first. And I'll see y'all niggas to the beach. That's if y'all can see me. If not, I'll just get like small clips. But I don't know. I'll see y'all later. Alright, so I'm gonna get copyrighted. So I'm in this vlog. For now, we'll see. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Stay black, be black, stay positive, make everything great. Peace, love, and energy. So y'all, we just got caught in the rain. You know how I said we was going downstairs to go to the barbecue? We got rained out 5 minutes later. So now everybody back in the hotel or in the apartment complex, whatever it's called. I'm wet. I'm really wet. My clothes are wet. It's a mess. That wind picked up out of nowhere.
Shoot, I had my key. I was wrecked up there. With my key.
To have it so
Yeah.
they can, you know.
They taking care of my bag.